In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add link in Carrd. We'll walk through adding a clickable link to your page using Carrd's built-in links element, and I'll point out what each option does so you can pick the best one for your site. Start by opening Carrd in your browser and entering the builder for the page you want to edit. At the top of the editor, click the plus icon to add a new element. From the element picker, choose links. This adds a dedicated link block and opens its settings panel so you can configure everything in one place. You'll see a field called Label. This is the text your visitors will see and click, so make it short and clear. Think portfolio, shop, or contact. Pick wording that sets the right expectation and matches your page's tone. If you're linking a section of your site, use labels like About or Pricing so people instantly know where they're headed. Next, enter the destination in the URL field. For regular web pages, paste the full address including HTTPS. It's worth double-checking for typos here, since even a small mistake will break the link. If you're pasting from elsewhere, remove extra spaces at the beginning or end to avoid errors. Now, open the Allowed URL Types menu. This tells Carrd how to handle the link. Choose Site for a standard web address. Email creates a link that opens the visitor's email app with a new message ready to send. Phone triggers a call on mobile devices. Browser is useful for opening a file or external resource directly in the browser. Section lets you jump to a specific section within the same page, and scroll point smoothly moves the visitor to an exact point you've defined. Pick the option that matches your goal. Carrd will format the link behind the scenes so it just works. That's it. You've added a link, set its label and destination, and chosen the behavior that fits your page. Keep your labels consistent, use clear destinations, and you'll have a polished, user-friendly link in Carrd.